So let's make some text. Okay, with text tool and make it a, for example, my name. A bit down here and change the color to white for a moment to adjust. Then activate 3D switch and duplicate 2 times. Select this one, press P, move it for around 10 pixel and this one around 20. So after this, change the color of the black back text layer to black and the front to gray. Yeah, around this kind of gray. I will tell you later. So after this, just 2 more steps. The first one is create a new like. Choose spot intensity 100%, cone angle more like a 75%, cone feathers, and color you should make it match the color of the floor in front of your name text. For example, this is green and yellow, so yellow is good. First one. Yeah, you can play with these settings later. Then change the duplicate the layer of the like top, move it here and change the point of interest around here, then active camera, then change the color to green. Okay, so you got this nice blend. You can actually add another likes. You get the idea. Okay, then let's create a camera. Create a camera, new camera settings. Let's choose it 35 or 28. Choose it 35. It will make the composition a little bit distorted. Like, okay, so nothing changed because you haven't switched this sun like icon collapse transformation. Click it and it will be funky, right? So go to this pre-comp layer that you created, select all of the layer, go to arrow and material option, accept likes off, go to comp tree and there you have it. And do the same with the back text layers. Like accept likes off, and there you go. So the only thing that accept likes is the gray colored text. Okay, now why is gray? Because gray can accept likes. If you go to black, it will be black. no lights launching from black surface, and if you add white it will be very bright. So maybe gray, a darkish, more gray, like that. It will be more suitable for this kind of project. Then yeah, basically it's the same. It's finished. Before we really finish, we have an animate the like that is at here. You can animate the light by going to intensity. In my case, intensity is 0, 100, 0, and 150. Let's just copy this keyframe and then go to, okay, let's clean up a bit, and then go to the like source, like option, intensity. If you want to make it from scratch, then the same technique. Press stopwatch, move it 2 frames, and then 0, move 2 frame, move 2 frame, 0, move 2 frame, and 156. You can go this, edit, copy, and remember to always start at the front of your time. If not, if you copy the layers, it will start from whatever this red cross or time seeker, I think it's the name, whatever the time seeker stand. So make sure you place it on the front of your time and press it paste, and then you can see all of the layers and all of this will be animate together. So if you want to animate a little bit more, like offset the time, you can always change by sliding it to the front, sliding it here. No, actually green have to be green and yellow. Okay, why is the color is changing? Oh, maybe I paste the option, so I need to change back to yellow. Oh, poor me. This one also change it, paste. Okay, nice. Then as you can see, if you happen to be in this case where you already pre-compose all of these layers and you don't know how to match the time for the light, in this case you move your time into the front of your lights or whatever you want to match, and then just double click on the comp, and actually this will be the same exact moment that whatever you're matching, in this case green floor. So choose green floor, hold control, command, whatever, and move it accordingly. And if we look at the result, it will become the same. Yeah, like that. It will become the same. And you can make it move to the top, so it will become same group, red floor and red floor, offset to be a little back, this. Okay, double clicking problem, cyan and cyan. Actually, this time yellow go to the floor, bottom, and you have this nice animated kind of animated animate like that. Yeah, nice. So camera movement. Let's go to camera movement. Go transform point of interest and position. You change it. You add the key frame since we are at the back, or maybe move it to the back. Let's make this the end result camera angle. So we're there. Go to camera and orbit camera tool and just drag. See, the name has a little depth because we move it to the backspace and then move it in the front. Let's change this to the beginning angle like so. So it will move accordingly. Nice. And you can also change the name, number, white name, and copy the opacity for the animated switch on. Place it there. Go to opacity, move it to the front, control pace, and offset the time like so. Make sure we keep the black one. So we have this nice glowy. Another thing you want to consider if you want to make this like the effect like this is switch on your back panel first before you switch on the front. And when I switch on the front a little bit, and then after that, then I switch on the white text layer, and then you can get this nice silhouette. So in this case, you can just lower the position of the name, lower it a little bit. And you will have a nice effect. And this is the final project, the final result. And you can change the name to whatever you like. It is changeable. For example, up next, and change for all these settings. Up next. Sorry, I switch on the caps lock, and After Effects pretty much don't like cap locks like that. Up next, and we have a nice bumper. So that's my tutorial. I hope you like it. This is the final result. I changed it to dance. I think it's nice. So you can make as much as you want, as big as you want. Of course, it will be a complex lighting at the front, but I think it's a nice result. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you.